Last May 15, 2019 was a happy Labor Day, pero walang kinalaman ito sa mga manggagawa. Actually, ang event po ay para sa mga nanay. It was a baby shower and workshop for first-time mothers, as well as the launching of a product that could help a lot of pregnant women.
Today, we are having the launch of Social Bladder Leakage Pad together with our resource person, Ms. Tammy C. of Birthing Beginnings. We are launching this event together with her and some of our pregnant women to introduce to them different types of techniques as well as pregnancy information for the benefit of these women whom experience some form of urinary incontinence. Social Bladder Leakage Pads is the first local brand of incontinence pad in the Philippines. As we know, incontinence sufferers are not just people who are of advanced age, but people with certain conditions like diabetes, obesity, as well as those who are pregnant experience this condition. And so with this launch, we are trying to educate our pregnant women as well as help introduce to them how they can help relieve their incontinence through the use of our pads. Social Bladder Leakage Pads is the perfect answer for those suffering from urinary incontinence. This is not just a simple pad, but it is a special pad really designed for this condition. So it's super absorbent, and aside from that, it has odor control and it is also antibacterial. Pleasant morning and welcome to the Social Bladder Leakage Pad launch.
We gathered the moms and some parents. We wanted to prepare them kasi 1/3 of pregnant women experience urinary incontinence. So we are here to help them prepare for their births better. At the same time, to help them have an idea how they can cope with labor and what to expect after birth when they actually give birth already and the reality is there.
I really learned a lot from this talk from Ms. Tammy. One of them is yung pagkain or pag-inom during labor. Kasi I was told, I had 2 kids before and I was told not to drink any water or eat before giving birth when I was having labor na. And another thing is yung pagkukuha ng gamit while pregnant. So you have to squat and iwasan ng utusan yung husband. So those are some of the things that I learned during this talk.
I'm a first-time mom. What I learned about this birthing class is about you have to be prepared at all times.
It was truly a Labor Day that was worthy for mothers.
I do like to invite you to check out birthingbeginnings.com or find us on Facebook or Instagram, Birthing Beginnings PH. My heart really is to partner with parents as they transition, as they prepare for being parents. And even if you're already a parent, my heart is to partner with you. I really believe that support and knowledge. If you'd like to join our classes, do get in touch with us. If you have any questions, birth-related, parenting-related, just get in touch with us, Birthing Beginnings PH or birthingbeginnings.com.
Social Bladder Leakage Pads are available at Mercury, Robinson's Department Store, Walter Mart, and online is also available at Lazada at Shopee. For more information, do visit our website at www.socialpads.ph. For other information also, promos that you might want to know about our product, visit our social media handles. That's Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. That's Social Pads PH.